Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. I'm doing updates in advance for you this weekend because I did have things to tell you, but I will be, if all goes well, in Vegas and seeing Garth on Saturday night, so wish me luck. So this is Thursday night, but so much happened this week that I just thought, well, I'll share an update because otherwise it gets lost in the shuffle. That's how I started doing updates every week because I start and do so many things and then I forget to tell you. I have been making some progress on projects. You saw Smash Our Stash. Joy of Blue is done and filmed. I started Smash That Small Paper Pad, which was the Liberty paper that you guys chose. So I did start making some cards and working on that. I got some Happy Mail from Nancy, which I don't know why, because Nancy sent me some last week too. So I feel like maybe, look at that cool stamp. I think she was a sculptor. So maybe Nancy just forgot something, or I don't know. Maybe she just got so excited making Happy Mail, she wanted to do another one. You never know. You never know. Oh, this looks fun. Oh, it's like trinkets. And okay, I'm going to dump them out right here. Look at these. She says, oh, look at this paper too. This is what she used to write her note on. She said that she had these sitting out and was going to send them with the other ones and hadn't used them, and she thought maybe I could use them in my July daily. I definitely will. And you know what? I think I had some of these, Nancy, and I think I used them all up. So I will just put these right, look at those pinwheels, in my July daily stuff and go for it. I'm going to put your envelope in there too. Thank you so much. That's fun. I am behind on July daily. I think I'm up to the 5th and today is the 8th. So I'm not too far behind, and I'm keeping notes so that I can do the journaling later. Honestly, nothing that exciting is happening. Like Wilson and I went for a walk and then I played in my craft room. That's fun though. Wilson and I went for a walk. Then I went to work. I wanted to tell you about this paper. 20 years ago, I put it on here so you could see it. My friend got married and we used this to make her reception invitations. She had a beautiful private ceremony and then a reception. And it's vellum with foiled roses on it. And I think there might be 2, maybe 3 sheets in our stash. Noni and I have the vellum combined, so maybe there's like one more piece in the part she has. Their 20th anniversary is this summer, so I need ideas. What could I do with this? When we made their invitations, it was like a burgundy layer and a cream layer. I, of course, don't have that anymore. But what if I made the envelope, if we have 2 sheets, what if I made the envelope out of the vellum and then made a card with the vellum? I need your absolute best vellum ideas, and you can message me on Instagram or you could email me. I don't really go on Pinterest. I'm just not that cool, I guess. But I've been saving this paper for 20 years and there's not that much of it, so I better make it count. So if you have ideas, I would love to hear them. I could emboss on it. I could, wrap it around the front layer of the card. I don't know what else, but maybe something cool. And Noni has a glimmer machine, but I'm not really that good at that, so I don't know what else. But I'd love to hear your ideas because I think it should be something good. Okay, I want to show you this bag. This is Noni's trash. Now, you do not get to judge her. She can throw out anything that doesn't bring her joy, just like you can. And also keep in mind that she's got a bum knee right now. So if she got rid of anything and was tidying, I'm impressed. I peeked in this bag a little and thought, oh, I like this purple. And there was a little tiny scrap of something that had some stars. And so this right here, but see, she's cut like the whole rest of it. So what I thought was I would take this bag and see what I could make with it and kind of see what becomes of it. And the idea is to help people who don't have a lot in their stash or maybe don't see the potential in other people's giveaways and freebies. So that's what I'm going to do. I put it on the list for, I don't know, maybe a week or so out. It'll be a while, but I think it'll be fun. Speaking of people's trash, after I made updates last weekend, so I think it was 4th of July, yes, because I had to hurry home for Wilson, I went to an estate sale at 3:30, and that was the everything is free. I brought home, I counted, don't tell Mr. Crafting and Relaxing, 18 books. And these are just some of them. Some I will use for, like, they'd be fun for glue pages. Some I will use for making actual journals or using their books for the cover, all kinds of stuff. Well, this is great. It's a calendar thing from 1988. So 18 books for free. I resisted the urge. I mean, I can only carry so much and, I got tired, but I would grab things and then say, nope, I like this one better and swap them out. So if you're a junk journaler or you're on a really tight budget, just ask them when it will be free, especially if there's a company doing it, because I think they have to clean out the house at the end. And the lady volunteered. She told me when it was and bring your friends back. Noni found an amazing sale for this weekend, but I'll be out of town, so maybe she'll scope it out and let us know. And then Mary told me about a stamp place in Vegas. Mary is the one that made this super cool card that I showed last weekend. She told me about a stamp place in Vegas. I'm going to see if I can check that out and fit it into the weekend because I think that would be fun. Mr. Crafting and Relaxing knows that that's always a risk when he takes me somewhere. Tomorrow there's a journal video and then Monday there's Joy of Blue. So that's what else I have coming, and then I'll be back and talk to you again soon. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.